MUCAR sent me their 892BT scan tool to check out, and honestly, I didn't expect it to be this loaded. Yes, it handles basic stuff like reading and clearing codes, but this thing digs way deeper. It runs a full scan across every module, not just the engine. On this Ford, I got info from 17 different modules all in one shot. The touchscreen feels quick, the layout's clean, and I really like that you get free lifetime updates, no subscription, no hidden fees. Now the big deal here is bidirectional control. You can activate components directly through the tablet. That saves a ton of time chasing electrical issues or guessing if the part's actually working. One feature I really like is the brake maintenance mode. When you're doing rear brakes on vehicles with an electronic parking brake, this lets you retract the caliper piston safely through the scanner. No need to guess or risk damaging the system. It puts the car into service mode and walks you through the steps. You also got over 35 service functions built in. And here's what's even better. If you're working on Ford like I am, the 892BT supports programmable module installation. So if you replace a module, it walks you through it step by step. It even has an AI diagnostics tool that gives a description of the code, symptoms, what to inspect, what to test, and some possible causes. It's helpful if you're trying to speed up your workflow. So if you're just checking engine lights, a $25 scanner is perfect. But if you're doing brake jobs, diagnostics, coding, or module replacements, the MUCAR 892BT gives you a ton of power without the steep price. It's not perfect, not every coding function works on every car, but it's seriously impressive for the money. Now if you're interested in the scanner, I'll leave it linked in the description below. I appreciate you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so I can see you in the next one.